Hello, everyone. Today I am discuss about 5 best earbuds which price under the $50. So guys, that only for you for best quality of earbuds in cheap rates. So guys, let's go and choose your favorite. Number 5. Aukey True Wireless Earbuds. Aukey True Wireless Earbuds have superior sound quality. Experience crisp, high-fidelity sound, while Bluetooth 5 provides faster pairing and a stable, efficient wireless connection one-step reconnection. Simply take the earbuds out of the charging case and they will automatically connect to your phone after being paired the first time. Convenient touch control. Effortlessly manage audio playback and calls with a multifunction touch panel and microphone on each earbud. The earbuds can even be used alone like a Bluetooth headset. Great battery life. The earbuds alone provide up to 5 hours of high-quality sound output on a single charge, and the included charging case provides an additional 4 charges, giving 25 hours of total playtime. Number 4. Soundpeats True Shift 2. Soundpeats True Shift 2 have premium sound and smooth conversation, equipped with global professional Arrowhead chipset and 6mm graphene driver. True Shift 2 can provide superior listening experience with ultra-realistic audio. 100H playtime and backup power bank. It can play 6 hours after full charge. The charging case built with 3000 mAh large battery that enables 100 hours playtime in total and up to 16 full charges, also equipped with visible indicator lights to show battery capacity. Sensitive touch control and fast pairing. True wireless earbuds can reduce the pressure on the ear caused by long time listening through smart touch technology, easily control music, videos, phone calls and activate voice assistant by tapping. Mono binaural mode and 12 months warranty. As long as your device is Bluetooth version 4.0 or above, it can pair with the earphone. Number 3. Tozo T10 Wireless Earbuds. Tozo T10 wireless earbuds have TWS and Bluetooth 5.0. Adopt the most advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Tozo T10 support HSP HFPA 2DPA VRCP provides in-call stereo sound, also own fast and stable transmission without tangling. Hi-fi stereo sound quality. Tozo T10 offers a truly authentic sound and powerful bass performance with 8mm large size speaker driver. The drive area is 1.77 times than the normal drive area. Charge on the go. Tozo T10 wireless earbuds can last for over 4 hours playtime from a single charge and 14 extra hours in the compact charging case. Charging case support wireless charging, providing convenient charging way with no strings attached. One-step pairing. Pick up 2 headsets from charging box. They will connect each other automatically, then only one step. Easily enter mobile phone Bluetooth setting to pair the earbuds. Number 2. Enac Fiery 18 Plus. Enac Fiery 18 Plus have super long battery duration, 8 hour of non-stop playtime for iOS system, 5 hour for Android, allowing you to enjoy Avengers movie series 1, 2, 3 or more than 120 songs in a long flight journey. Keep you away from all the chaos and stay fun throughout the journey. CVC 8.0 noise cancellation. Hear only what you want. CVC 8.0 tech brings advanced audio enhancement and noise suppression to the near and far end. Delivers the best possible stereo call quality with colleagues, friends, families on your daily commute and ignoring the road noise and other people's talking. Wireless charging tech more magical than ever. With the new wireless charging case, E18 Plus delivers an unparalleled and full-set wireless earbuds experiences. Provided up to total 40H playtime by using the portable charging case. Lay it down, charge it up, just like magic. Number 1. Tautronic Sound Liberty 79 TWS Crystal Clear Calls. Tautronic Sound Liberty 79 TWS earbuds with smart AI noise reduction technology makes your voice coherent for crystal clear calls, even in noisy environments, such as in an office, cafe or on a bus, train, car, etc. Hi-fi stereo sound quality. It offers incredibly clear sound quality and powerful bass performance with 6mm peak plus PU speaker driver. You can enjoy the amazing music feast while traveling, working, exercising etc. 30HR extra long playtime. Bluetooth earphones stream hi-fi stereo sound consistently for up to 8 hours on a single full charge and 22 extra hours in the compact charging case, which powered by USB-C strong connection. Wireless earbuds built-in premium chipset combines the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology with advanced LDS antenna for a fast and stable signal transmission with a broader Bluetooth range up to 20 meters 66 feet. Thanks for watching video. Please make sure like, share, subscribe and comment below the comments section. Thank you.